Saving money on your energy bill. Energy-saving tips for summer. When the temperatures start to rise in Haubstadt, Indiana, you should be able to stay cool and comfortable all summer long without worrying about your energy bills skyrocketing. Constantly running your air conditioner during the hot and humid days shouldn't have a negative impact on your energy use. Here are 6 HVAC energy-saving tips to save you money this summer. Keep up with routine maintenance. Stay within an optimal temperature range. Upgrade your thermostat. Change your air filters. Keep your vents clear and clean. Upgrade your HVAC system. If you're struggling with high energy bills during the summer months in Haubstadt, Indiana, contact the professionals at Perfect Climate Heating and Air. Our HVAC experts will work with you to determine the best way you can preserve energy all year long. Start by calling us at 812-506-4358 today.